You're joining me just as I walk into the scariest place on earth, a garden centre. I know nothing about plants or garden centres. I never go here. They're quite nice places actually. I decided to buy some lavender. I'll show you what I'm going to do with it. So I've picked up 3 of the lavender plants and some more paint. I like my Valspar test pots. They used to be $10 I think, or 11, but now they're more than 12. Like everything else, they're going up. I picked up Amish lace. I picked up the Hamptons. What a surprise if you know me. And I'm not Lavender's biggest fan, but it's really pretty. So I had these pots that I did up ages ago, and I didn't really feel like I did a very good job making them look old, so that's why I wanted the Amish lace, let's say that again, do some stuff to it to make them look older. Take out the table of hair totally. I'm kind of cutting off my nose to spite my face because it's where I do my crafts, but it's so cumbersome in here, it's far too big for the space. And I'll show you what I'm going to do. So we'll just talk about the chairs and table for a minute. I've had the chairs for years. I bought this table last summer and I have deliberately had it outside hoping that the weather will make it go rusty, but it's not really done that well, probably because the weather was so hot for ages. Yeah, so these chairs are over the top. They've been in the weather for about 5 years. I didn't quite want the table to go like that. I knew it was going to be a process, and you're probably thinking, well Terri, why don't you just make it look old? So I don't know. So I'm going to bring the table back in, put it under the chandelier and put the lavender on it, and it'll be like an entrance thing, because you may not know that that little sunroom is actually the entrance to my house. I did download these from the internet, the labels, and just printed them off my home computer. Like, originally I bought them to make them look old, and they never looked old once I did them. Anyway, so this is quite blue. It's like a blue base. And what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to quickly paint over the labels as well. I did really just want to change the colour. I know it seems ridiculous, change the colour from one white to another. Always get paint on me, I can never avoid it. Okay, I've come outside, it's raining, you probably can't tell, and I'm under my old grotty, dingy, gross sparkle area, which is getting fixed sometime this year. I'll keep you updated on that. So I'm going to plant the lavender into the pots. I've got some white pebbles. I just can't bring the bag over, it's way too heavy for me to lift. But I thought I'd show you that I'm putting some in the bottom of each pot. My husband told me that's good for drainage, but I don't even know how he knows that because we both don't garden. I mean, I know a lot of it is common sense, but sometimes I don't have common sense. I've got some potting mix.
I'm going to say I've been feeling this way for far too long.